last things to do before. Bad nostalgia walk. Oh no! I don't like you, so I'm going to make you faint. Alright. Let's totally do this. Let's do this job normally. Alright. There you go. Oh, you go. Oh no. You die. We do not let people die. Oh no, you died too. Sorry, we do not let this. Don't worry, I will help you go to a better place. I knew that you were a bad guy because I just looked at the cursed photo. You are at old Virdo. I could have used things that don't die soon. But I think there's a ghost here now. Hello, we're gonna make 1,000 ghosts spawn by putting patients to a trash can. Also, a patient died, so there will be a ghost. By what I think. Hey, what's not me? I swear these anomalies are here, literally trying to. Oh my god, hey. Alright, sure. Alright. Don't regret it. Oh no, are you okay, dude? Dude, let me save you. Why is your name green? I mean, who knows? Hey! Yay! I wanted to help, but I didn't know what monster. So, moral of the story: know what monster it is before shooting dead. So it's also about the reputation of the hospital. Who cares? You just follow me. What do you mean? Hey! Alright, I'm letting y'all in. Y'all, you guys are pretty. I like you twitching. Keep twitching. See what happens if you keep twitching. Got in the way. It's not my problem. You got in the way. And I hate you. I knew it. I knew I led to a nomination. I hate these anomalies. You're innocent. I'm sorry. I don't. You're innocent. I'm sorry. This is very good. Goodbye. Huh?